Hey guys, welcome to another super quick and awesome tutorial where I'm going to show you how to get rid of any kind of color cast using the new option in Affinity Photo called the divide blend mode. Now let's jump into it quickly. Like for example, in this photo, I've got two photos. They're actually the same photo. I put it side by side so that you can see exactly what is going on. So on the left and on the right, so it's exactly the same photo. Generally this is the best example, one of the best example, because when you take underwater photo, for instance, you have a very strong blue or usually green and blue color cast. So in this case I've got a really strong blue color cast, obviously. Now how you can get rid of that blue color cast and bring out the actual color, for instance, of this jellyfish? It's super easy. First of all, you have to select. So I'm going to select the main photo. It's already been selected. Then I'm going to go to the layer and then click new fill layer. So you got a fill layer, which is typically can be any color, doesn't really matter. In this case it's kind of blue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this dropper right here. If you don't find the dropper here, you can also select the dropper from the toolbar. So you're going to go ahead and then select the dropper. And what I'm going to do, this is the part which is really important. So put the dropper on something that you believe that's supposed to be absolute white. This is where you can get rid of all the color cast, but you have to make sure that you selecting something that's supposed to be very white in this case. So I believe the edges of this jellyfish supposed to be white because I've seen many pictures in past. Generally they tend to be white. So I'm gonna go ahead and then select one of the pixel which supposed to be white, right? Now I'm going to select that, click, and then you can see that the fill layer changed the color. Now after that is super duper easy. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the blend mode and change the blend mode to the new Affinity Photos divide blend mode, and boom, you can clearly see that now our jellyfish, it's quite standing out. There are no sign of blue color cast on the jellyfish anymore. It's gone completely. Now it's vibrant, professional, clean. And now you know the secret how the professional photographers, especially the underwater photographers, get rid of their color cast underwater, because all they have to do is to find something that's supposed to be pure white. You can do exact same thing for landscape photography, where generally the cloud tend to be more white, or best way to do that is to use a white balance card, take a photo and then just use that as a reference for rest of your photos. Super easy. So now you know how to easily get rid of any color cast from your photograph. I hope this video has been very helpful. If so, please do like and subscribe. Without your support, my channel do not exist. So your support is all matter. Now most importantly, look after yourself and bye bye.